Hi, welcome to KlinKode PayRules tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to show or hide cash on delivery for specifically tagged customers at Shopify checkout using KlinKode PayRules. First, navigate to the All Rules page of our app. Here you can manage all your payment rules. Click on the Add a New Rule button. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. From the Select Payment Methods dropdown, choose Cash on Delivery. Now let's define when this payment method should be hidden. Scroll down to the Customer section at the bottom. To hide the Cash on Delivery option for specific customers, enter the customer tag in the Customer Tags field. For example, if you add the Retail tag, then all customers tagged as retail will not see the Cash on Delivery option at checkout. If you want cash on delivery available only for certain customers, like those tagged wholesale, select Hide if not found from the dropdown. Then, add the wholesale tag in the Customer Tags field and click the Create Rule button. This setup ensures that only customers tagged as wholesale can see the cash on delivery option during checkout. That's it. Simple way to manage cash on delivery with KlinKode PayRules. Contact us if you need help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.